I just started buying League of Kingdoms Arena or LOKA coin again for a very nice scalp to at least view up on the 4 hour chart. And this is one of my main conviction plays for a while. We basically retested 200 EMA just like we did here. And right now almost here for a very beautiful nice pump. So the question is, what will happen to LOKA right now? I will not waste a second of your time. Just want to show you some stats that I've seen. Obviously, this there is no financial advice. First of all, money flow is going up. Money is entering the market. Second of all, we have nice divergences right here. As you can see, RSI is also gaining momentum. It's slowly going above 45, which is very good on the daily chart, especially when it goes below. When it enters 45, just like here, it has a nice retracement to the upside. Just like when it goes below 55, it normally has some form of correction to the downside. So I'm very happy with the results from the local trades lately, and this is my main conviction play for today. I have a few things to share. So first of all, I'm up to 162 grand on BloFin, 30 grand on this new wallet. If you want to follow my trades, I'll have a link in the description down below to my Signals chat, and also I'll have a link to my course. I priced it super cheap so anyone can basically enter. Also, I'm switching from Mexi to BloFin, so you can grab a $30 bonus plus a 50% spot fee discount. It's a user exclusive. It's really good if you're just starting out. Definitely do check it out. All the links will be available in the description down below. I can make another LOKA video tomorrow if this video gets 10 likes. So if you help me out by giving me a like, I'll make these daily videos. See you next video.